In this video, I will show you how to install Quick Search TV on Android TV. I can subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find it helpful. So on your Android TV, after connecting to the internet, I'm assuming you don't have Google Play Store and the application is not on your App Store. So how do you get Quick Search TV APK? You go over to this intermediate application that is very useful. It's called Downloader. Downloader is an application that helps you to search for anything, any files, medias, APKs from across the internet. And you can go ahead and download the APKs to your smart TV or Android TV after you search for it. So how does it work? If you don't download your Android TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to help you to get Downloader. So after getting Downloader, you're just going to launch it and then click on the interface. So once you come over to the interface, you're going to see a box like this, and then go ahead and type in what you're searching for, which is Quick Search TV APK. So I'm going to type in Quick Search TV APK on downloader box. So once you type in the right keyword, you just go ahead and click on Go. Once you click Go, downloader is going to show us the options on the internet we can use to install the application or the APK. So as you can see, here are the various options. There are many of them. All right, there are many of them. So you can take out your time and scroll through them and know which one is going to work well. So for the sake of time, we're just going to try this first option. Click on the first option. Here's what it's going to be. It's going to bring us to the up to down website where you can install the APK. So here's the application. Here's the right application. So if you're using this option, you're just going to click on this download latest version, and the application is going to be installed to your Android TV. Like and subscribe to this channel if you find it helpful.